Good morning, Bache. Welcome to your English class. Bache, in the previous lecture, I told you about paper 2, that how you are going to attempt the paper 2 and what kind of questions would you get into paper 2. So, in paper 2, basically we have two comprehensions. You can see it. I told you the first one would be any journal topic. So, it's about a goal, clear? And the second comprehension is any story kind of thing, clear? It's an extraction from a book or any piece of writing, clear? Both of them are having 7 or 5 paras, clear? Acha bache, today we are going to read the first passage, first comprehension passage, and then we are going to attempt the first question from the first comprehension passage, clear? So in this way you will come to know how to attempt the first comprehension question. So let's start with the and this would be bache your question from the first passage. Let me show you. So these are the question as I was talking about. Okay, the box would be given and you have to write about. So आपने क्या करना है? In the first box you have to write, ये जो dark लिखा हुआ है, ways in which gold was important down through the ages. कौन कौन से तरीक़ों में gold was important means down through the ages, वक्त के साथ साथ, like in the former time how gold was important, clear, and how it got its importance more. और second part जो है, so over here in this block you are supposed to write 6 points. One is already given in order to make you people understand, and you are going to write 6 more points. अच्छा, next block में what is written? It's written uses and attraction of gold in modern times. उधर former time लिखा था, former time means in the past, how, and over here next block में है the uses and attraction of gold in modern times. So in the passage you will read about how gold was important in the past and how it is important and how it is used in the in the first section you will write how gold was important in the past, and in this section, next section, you will write how gold is important in the present and in which ways gold is being used. Clear? So first we are going to read the comprehension passage and then we are going to attempt this question. Okay, let's begin with the passage. Throughout the history of the passage is gold. It's about a gold. Throughout the history of our planet, gold has been valued. Almost every established culture has used gold to symbolize power, beauty and happiness. So throughout the history of our planet, that is Earth, gold has been very important. Clear? It was being considered almost in every culture. Gold is being used, and it's used by the people, and it was used as a symbol. Symbol means it used to represent the power. Means whoever was having gold, that person was powerful. It used to represent beauty as well and happiness as well. Like it was a symbol. Whoever was having gold in the past, that person was considered as the happy person. Over 6,000 years ago, pieces of gold were exchanged as a system of payment which replaced bartering. First of all, let me explain what is bartering. Bartering बच्चे, in the past time there was no concept of money. तो एक सामान के बदले दूसरा सामान खरीदा जाता था या एक्सचेंज किया जाता था. Clear? So over 6,000 years ago, 6,000 years back, pieces of gold were exchanged as a payment. So after bartering was replaced by कि जब कोई आप कोई चीज़ खरीदते थे in the past, जब कोई चीज़ खरीदता था तो उसके in a form of payment वो gold piece देता था. Clear? A piece of gold. Much later, बाद में the first gold coins were minted. बाद में जो है when people got sense, so what they did, they made gold coins. और जिस तरह आजकल के coins it's considered as a currency, so उस time पर the gold coins were made and they were being given in the form of payment. They were an innovative way to conduct transaction because they were both portable and easy to count. So it was a good way to do the business because वो एक तो portable थे, like it was easy to carry them, and secondly it was easy to count them. Clear? The Venetians introduced, this is a kind of civilization or culture. The Venetians introduced the gold ducat in 1284 and it became the most popular coin in the world for more than 500 years. So Venetians is a culture, and what they did, they introduced the gold ducat. It's a kind of currency, clear? They introduced it and it was being used for 500 years. Clear? So over here we have seen that how in the past, in this paragraph we have seen how in the past gold was being used. First it replaced the bartering, clear? And in the very first line it is written that it was used to symbolize power, beauty and happiness. Secondly, we have read that it replaced bartering, and then with the passage of time gold coins were introduced, and then the Venetians, the people of this culture, they started making gold ducat. It's a kind of currency, and they started using this. Clear? The next paragraph is gold was considered by ancient people to have medicinal properties. Acha. In ancient time, people considered that gold has medicinal property. Medicinal properties means that gold could be used as a medicine. How? The ancient Chinese, अच्छा now ये जो है the ancient Chinese treated such as, ये जो है इस first line की explanation है. So how, this is the explanation or example that how gold was used as a medicine. The ancient Chinese treated diseases such as smallpox and measles with medicines containing gold, and in traditional Indian medicine drinks sprinkled with gold were thought to have healing effects. So Chinese में जो है the diseases like smallpox and measles, they were treated with the gold, and in other tradition, Indian tradition, medicine drinks के ऊपर gold जो है sprinkle किया जाता था, and they used to have healing effects. कि वो drink जिस पर gold sprinkle किया जाता था जब लोग पीते थे, so they used to consider it as having the healing effects. As early as 700 BC, Etruscan dentists work with gold simply for aesthetic purposes rather than for repair work by using it to fasten replacement teeth into patient mouth. So this dentist in 700 BC, this dentist used gold tooth, and he used gold tooth into the mouth of his patient instead of the normal tooth, and that was just for aesthetic purpose in order to make it look good. Clear? Last line of this paragraph is, in 14th century Europe, molten gold mixed with the crushed emeralds was seen as a cure for bubonic plague, although this remedy was obviously limited to the wealthy. 14th century में बचे, there was you can say an epidemic disease, plague था, start हुआ था. This is a disease, and gold was considered to be one of its treatment, लेकिन gold was expensive. So this treatment was only limited to the wealthy people. The poor people could not afford this treatment. Okay, look at the third para. In former times, gold was associated with religion. Acha, in former times, in previous time, in past time, gold was also associated with religion. How? Let's see. Because of the Egyptians believed that gold was the skin of their sun god Ra. So Egyptians, like these are different, there are different mythologies, clear, in Greek and Egypt and all these things. So Egyptians, people of Egypt, believe that gold is the skin of their god, who was considered as the god of sun, whose name was Ra. Clear? It was unavailable in Egypt to all except the pharaoh. The Incas of Peru saw gold as representing the glory of their own sun god, and it called it tears of the sun. It is all just explanation, so you are not going to write this explanation, you are just going to write as one single main point. Clear? However, although there are more than 400 references to gold in the books of the Jewish Old Testament, one of the verse, अच्छा आप ये भी लिख सकते हो कि उनके जिस तरह we have the holy book, clear, although so they in their Jewish, in their holy book, they have mentioned about the gold as well. Clear? There are references to the gold as well. In all of these contexts, gold was not seen as having a monetary value, so its extraction was purely aesthetic. Clear? Okay, fourth paragraph is, gold is a beautiful bright yellow color, and because it does not tarnish in air or water, it has been used since ancient times to make jewelry in the form of rings, bracelets, earrings, necklaces, both for men and women depending on local custom. So one of the positive point about gold is that it doesn't tarnish in air or water. Doesn't tarnish, it doesn't lose its color in air or water. Clear? There are some metals, when you expose them to the air or when you put them into the water, so they lose its color. Clear? So but gold is the metal which doesn't lose its color in water or in air. So this was the plus point about this metal, and that's why people started using it into different form of jewelry, like in the form of rings, bracelets, earrings, necklaces. Clear? Everybody loves gold jewelry. So important was gold to people that around 300 BC the Greeks began the practice of alchemy. Now what is alchemy? Bache, in Greeks the people started this practice. They were trying to convert the cheap metals into gold, but it remained unsuccessful. Clear? And this process was continued for almost 2000 years. And this process, because of in such attempts, like they were trying to convert the cheap metal into gold, so these reactions and these chemical reactions, these all became the foundation of the modern chemistry. Clear? Okay, now you can see in paragraph 5 that it's the very first few words are in more recent times. So it means from here you are going to talk about the modern times. Modern times का जो question का section है, you are going to attempt it from paragraph 5. Clear? In more recent time, gold has continued to have its attraction. In the past it was having its attraction, and even in the recent time it's still having its attraction. People still love it, people still get attracted towards the gold. Achha, now we will see how it is used and how it is important in modern time. Because it is malleable and therefore easy to work with, as well as having aesthetic properties, it is still used in dentistry. Malleable means bache you can give any shape to it. Clear? So as the gold is malleable and it is easy to work with, so it is still used in dentistry. People who have money and so those who are having money, they at times they get the tooth of gold for aesthetic purposes, just in order to look good. Clear? Replacing teeth with iron would be possible, but who wants a rusty smile? Clear? So even the people could get the tooth of another metal, but other metal would have got rusty. Clear? उस पे rust लग जाता. So definitely when they used to smile, तो उनके smile बुरी लगती because they would have a rusty teeth. So that's why people like to have a teeth or tooth of gold, because they don't get rusted, they don't get, you can say, tarnished with the air or water. Clear? As a drug which can alleviate swelling caused by arthritis, gold is used in modern medicines, and particles of gold implanted as a drug, it can heal or it can reduce the pain caused by arthritis. Bache, arthritis is a disease of joints. It causes pain in joints. Clear? आपके bones के जो joints होते हैं, it's a kind of disease. उधर pain होता है, so that disease is called arthritis, and gold is considered to be the medicine for that. It reduces the swelling in that area. Achha. And particles of gold here, particles of gold implanted in human tissue can serve as a radiation therapy in the treatment of certain cancers. So now the doctors have even discovered this case different types of cancer patients जो होते हैं, अगर उनमें gold particles डाल दिए जाए, so the gold particles they give radiations which can heal their disease, that is cancer. Clear? Many surgical instruments are made up of gold because again it does not corrode and it can easily be sterilized, thereby reducing the risk of infection during and after surgery. So many surgical instruments, वो सारे instruments जो operation के या surgery के दौरान यूज़ होते हैं, most of them are being made of gold. Why? Same reason, because एक तो उनको जंग नहीं लगता and it's easy to sterilize them. Clear? So that's why it's safe for the patients that during or after surgery they don't get the infection. Clear? Now look at the sixth para. Because it conducts electricity and easy to work with, gold is invaluable in modern electronics. So gold is also very important in modern electronics. Why? Because it is a good conductor of electricity. Clear? In fact, a small amount is used in all sophisticated electronic gadgets such as cell phones and computers. As it is a good conductor of electricity, so almost in all the sophisticated or expensive gadgets में थोड़ा सा gold use हुआ होता है. Clear? Gadgets, for example, your cell phones and computers. The importance of high quality and reliable performance justify the relatively high cost. Definitely it has a very high performance, reliable performance. It's used in electronics, it's used in surgical instruments as well. So that's why since the very start gold is very expensive, and people do use it in the form of jewelry as well. So that's why it's reliable metal. It does not get destroyed into the air or water. It doesn't lose its color. It is used in the surgical instruments as well. Clear? It is used by the dentist as well. So that's why it is always having a high cost. Okay. Space travel requires vehicles that travel without the possibility of maintenance or repair, which is why gold as highly dependable material has been used in many ways in the manufacture of every spacecraft ever launched. Definitely when the spacecraft are going into the space, so उनको ऐसे spacecraft चाहिए कि हर वक्त उनको उसको repair ना करना पड़े. So definitely gold is the most reliable metal. When the so that's why mostly the spacecraft, clear, they are mostly being made up of gold. Clear, because the same reason कि it does not tarnish, it does not get rusted. Clear, and it does not need repairment again and again. अच्छा. Gold leaf, the last para बचे, gold leaf hammered into thin sheets is used for decorating. Now gold leaf जो होते हैं, what is gold leaf? Gold leaf, they are the sheets of gold और उसको hammer के साथ मतलब thin बनाया होता है, like the page is clear, like the sheets. अच्छा, gold leaf, gold hammered into thin sheets is used for decorating or gilding objects such as picture frames and furniture. अच्छा, so gold leaves से या gold sheets जो है, it is also used for decorating purposes. For example, it is used in the frames of the pictures and in the furniture as well. It is used in luxury cooking in, for example, the desserts and confectionery such as mithai, unique confectionery made in Eastern Asia for a special occasion. You must have seen a kind of silver or gold leaf on mithai or any sweet dish, clear. So that is also gold leaf, and that is for very, you can say, it's called as very luxurious cooking, clear. And same, these gold leaves are used on these mithai or sweet dish for the aesthetic purpose in order to make it look good. Highly skilled craftsmen use gold to adorn buildings. Gold is also used to adorn, means to decorate buildings, clear. The splendid Sultan Umar Ali Saifuddin Mosque in Brunei and the Golden Temple of Amritsar in India are decorated with gold. These two famous buildings are decorated with gold, ranking them among the most magnificent buildings in the world. Clear? Beautiful glass can be manufactured with gold. Suspending a small amount in glass produces a rich ruby color, as in the famous glass from Murano near Venice. A more practical application for adding gold to glass is in the use of gold as a coating on windows to reflect the sun rays, thus keeping buildings cool in summer. अच्छा, gold is also used during the manufacture of glass, especially जो windows की जो glasses होती है, windows में जो glass use होता है, gold is mixed into that. Why? Because gold जो है that reflect the sun rays. सन रेज को रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं. अच्छा, जिन विंडोज़ में गोल्ड यूज़ हुआ होता है, जिन विंडोज़ के मिरर में गोल्ड यूज़ हुआ होता है, so that mostly that building or that area remains cool, and that is quite helpful in summer. Clear? Okay बच्चे, so this is how we have read about the gold, the importance and uses of gold in the former time, in the previous time, in the past time, and the importance and uses of gold in the modern times. Now we will go to the question and attempt the question, that how this question is going to be attempted. Clear? First section में you have to write the, अच्छा, let me take it out, then we are going to discuss it. अच्छा, I will read the question from the start. अच्छा, रीड पैसेज 1 इन द इंसर्ट. बच्चे, जहाँ पे आपके ये कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज दिए होते हैं, इस सेक्शन को इंसर्ट कहते हैं. दिस सेक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज द इंसर्ट. और ये जो अभी मैंने निकाला हुआ है, वेयर यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर, दिस पेपर इज कॉल्ड एज द क्वेश्चन पेपर. क्लियर? सो रीड पैसेज 1 इन द इंसर्ट एंड आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस बिलो. Acha, so this question has got 15 marks. Recently it has got changed. Now this section has got 12 marks. Clear? Identify and write down the points in the passage which describes the way. So this is your question. Identify and write down the points in the passage which describes the ways in which gold was important down through the ages and explain the uses and attraction of gold in modern time. Clear? Acha, now over here this block is being given and the question is ways in which gold was important down through the ages. You have to write the different ways in which gold was important in different ways in the past. Clear? So over here 1 point is already written and you have to write 6 more points. Clear? This point is not going to be considered because it's already being written for your understanding. Clear? And the second section is, this is the second section or second part of your question, the uses and attraction of gold in modern times. Clear? So in the whole comprehension passage which we have just read about the gold, we have talked about the uses and importance of gold in the past times and we have talked about the uses and importance of gold in the present time. So first section में we are going to write about the old times. Clear? 6 points लिखते हैं, any 6 points. So let me take out the passage, उसी के साथ साथ हम पढ़ते हैं and we will write it down. I am reading it from here but you people are going to write it there in the box, in the first box. अच्छा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द फर्स्ट यूज कुड बी, अच्छा एक पॉइंट जो दिया गया है आपको, दैट इज ऑलरेडी बीइंग गिवन. सी, पीसेज ऑफ गोल्ड एक्सचेंज एज अ सिस्टम ऑफ पेमेंट विच रिप्लेस बार्टरिंग. क्लियर? दिस इज ऑलरेडी बीइंग गिवन. अब आपने इसके साथ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट 6 मोर पॉइंट्स. सो वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम द पैराग्राफ्स. अच्छा, so you can also write this point, gold coins were a way to conduct transaction because portable and easy to count. अच्छा, ये एक पॉइंट है. यू हैव टू टेक दिस एंड मेक इट इन योर ओन वर्ड दैट गोल्ड कॉइन्स वेर एन ईजी वे टू कंडक्ट ट्रांजेक्शन. ट्रांजेक्शन नहीं लिखते तो आप बिजनेस भी लिख सकते हो. दैट गोल्ड कॉइन्स विच वर लेटर मेड वर एन ईजी वे टू कंडक्ट बिजनेसेस बिकॉज दे वर ईजी एंड पोर्टेबल. क्लियर? अच्छा, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आप कैसे यूज कर सकते हो, हाउ गोल्ड वॉज यूज और इम्पॉर्टेंट इन द पास्ट टाइम. Next point you can use, see in the second paragraph in the very first line it's being written that gold was considered to have the medicinal properties. Clear? And in which tradition it was considered in ancient China and India to have the medicinal properties. Clear? अच्छा, इसी पैराग्राफ में बचे दिस वन, आप ये पॉइंट भी लिख सकते हो, द इम्पोर्टेंस एंड यूजेस ऑफ गोल्ड इन द पास्ट टाइम. फर्स्ट ब्लॉक में कि द डेंटिस्ट यूज गोल्ड इनटू, और द डेंटिस्ट दिस एट्रुस्कन डेंटिस्ट मेड द टूथ ऑफ गोल्ड फॉर अ पेशेंट. ओके, नाउ रिलीजियस इम्पोर्टेंस में यू कैन राइट दैट इट हैज़ रिलीजियस इम्पोर्टेंस एज वेल. How? Because Egyptians believed the gold to be the skin of their god, sun god Ra, and secondly there are 400 references to gold in Jewish Old Testament. एक ये point आप लिख लो that it has got the religious importance as well in the former times because Egyptians believe that it is the skin, gold is the skin of their sun god, and secondly it has got 400, more than 400 reference into the Jewish Old Testament. Clear बच्चे? Okay, now you can also write in uses. अच्छा, इधर ही लिखा हुआ है in fourth paragraph that gold is used in making of jewelry in the form of rings, bracelets, earrings and necklaces. Clear? अच्छा, you can also write this point that Greeks for 2000 years Greeks tried to convert the cheapest metal into gold, which is the base of the modern chemistry. So these are the 6 points or 5 points about आपने लिखने 6 है, but that is just to make you understand कि how you have to attempt it the first block. Clear? अच्छा, I told you कि paragraph 5 से the importance and uses of gold in modern time start होता है. See? So आपका जो second block है, we have done the first block, that is ways in which gold was important down to the ages, mean in the former times and the past. Now in second block, this section, what you have to do, the uses and attraction of gold in modern times. Over here now In modern times, paragraph 5 से read करके till end you have to take out the points. Clear? Okay. Now one of the use could be, one point is already given, that is used in modern dentistry because it is malleable and has aesthetic properties. This is already given. So आपने second point अपने लिए find out करना है. It is used in modern medicines. It is used as a drug to alleviate the swelling in arthritis, or it is also implanted in human tissue to treat different kinds of cancer. Clear बच्चे? अच्छा, इसी पैराग्राफ में आप लास्ट लाइन देखिए, गोल्ड इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन मैनी सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बिकॉज it doesn't get tarnished. Gold is also used in electronics because it conducts the electricity. As gold is a good conductor of electricity, so it is used in electronics as well. Clear? Okay. Now you can also use from the 6th paragraph that the use is being mentioned ke gold is used in the making of spacecraft as well. Clear? But reason आपने साथ देना है that it is used in the manufacture of spacecraft because it is a highly dependable metal and doesn't need that much maintenance. Clear? अच्छा, लास्ट पैराग्राफ में there are 2-3 points that gold is used to adorn buildings, to adorn or to decorate buildings. Clear? We also read in the last para that gold is used in glass. Clear? To produce beautiful ruby red glass. When the gold is being mixed into the glass, it produces a kind of beautiful red ruby glass. Clear? Gold is also used in the manufacture of windows because it reflects the sun rays and the building remain cool. Clear? Like during summer it's very helpful. So I hope it's clear, girls. The first was the uses and importance of gold down through the ages, means in the old time. So we have found out the points from paragraph 1 till paragraph 4 for that, for the first box. And then in the next box it was written the uses and ways in which gold is important in the modern time. So we have done that as well. Clear? So this is how you have to attempt your first section. This is the first section of your question. It has got 12 marks. In each box 1 point is already being given in order to make you people understand. Clear बच्चे? I hope it's being clear. अच्छा, now the points which you are going to write into these boxes, उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है? From the same points you are going to make the summary, but the first 10 words of the summary would already be given. Gold was always an important commodity in former times because अब ऐसे लाइन से स्टार्ट करना है. दिस लाइन आई थिंक इज बीइंग टेकन फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट पैरा. सो आपने फर्स्ट पैरा से ही अपनी समरी स्टार्ट करनी है. बिकॉज ऐसे लाइन से स्टार्ट करनी है विच शुड हैव अ कोहेरेंस विद बिकॉज. क्लियर गर्ल्स? दैट वी विल डू इंशाल्लाह इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. अच्छा गर्ल्स, we have done passage 1 of gold in your topical worksheets. You would be having these passages. आपने जो अपने topical worksheets का first passage है जो आपने नहीं किया and that is left, so आपने you have to attempt that passage. Clear? Do send me the name of that passage, or if possible do send me the picture of that passage from your topical worksheets. Clear? Thank you बच्चे. Have a blessed day.